Hello children, good morning. In the previous class you have learned four lessons now and you have also written your computer exam. I hope you all written your computer exam well. In this class, let's learn the next lesson using lists and images. So in this class what you have to learn children, list and images. Images means photos. If you want to keep the photos in a net as a output to your web browser, how you have to keep that. And list means you will go to the hotel or a restaurant and you will give a menu. So that menu will be displayed in a bulleted list, means in the dot wise, or it will be displayed in the number wise. So like that, how it will be displayed in the web browser by using list we will see in this class. Let's see. List. List is the most efficient way to provide the information in a short manner. Precise is nothing but short manner. Whether it is in a minutes of a meeting or a list of items or a table of contents, lists are used to keep important points and it is used to grab the reader's attention. So in the HTML we are having different types of list. Different types of list means it will put different types of items in a different order. A list can be also defined in different styles. What are the different styles of a list? There will be three types of lists. There is unordered list, ordered list and description list. Let's see this unordered list. Unordered list is used when the items are not displayed in a sequence, which means they won't provide a number wise. Means they'll use like this dotted, like dots or any symbols we can use instead of numbers. The list begins and ends with UL, open UL and close UL tags. UL stands for U, unordered, L for list, respectively. It indents each items in the list and add bullets against each of the item. It is also known as bulleted list. Example, these are the list of items and example it is also called as a bulleted list. And LI tag. LI is nothing but list of items. To display list of items contained in the both unordered and ordered list, LI tag is used. So let's see that example. So let's see this example. Open HTML, open head, title. In the title we are using a list now. It is displayed that using list. Close title, style, type equals to text or CSS. Why? Because here we are using a CSS method and in that we are using list tag. Body, background color, RGB. Here instead of writing colors also we can also give like this, as I said before. H1 color equals to red, Li color equals to green, close style, open close head, open body. And H1 benefits of positive attitude, close H1, open UL. UL means unordered list. So list of items means here four different items are there: close UL, close body, close HTML. Let's see this output here. So this is our path where we have stored our HTML program. This heading is in H1 format, which means heading level 1, and these are the list of items which are in the unordered list. This is an example of unordered list. Now let's see this ordered list. So what is the means of unordered list, children? Unordered list means it will display in a list of items, not in a numbered order. So like in dots, how like we'll keep a points dot like that, but in the ordered list we will get in the numbered list, means 1 2 3. Also we can keep capital Roman numbers or small Roman numbers, ABC, capital or small, both like that ways we can give in a numbered list. So ordered list is nothing but called as a numbered list. It starts with OL and ends with /OL tag. And it is mostly used everywhere. For example, if you want to write a question with a number of points, you will keep 1 2 3 like that. Like that also we can give. Or we can if the steps are not demonstrated orderly in a recipe. So if you want to prepare a food item, so for that you have to mention the points. That point should be in an sequential manner. If not, the recipe will be formed, children. No. So let's see this example here. HTML, head, title. In the title, ordered list, close title, style type equals to CSS, body, background, repeat, no repeat, background, image here they have inserted an image. That image URL is here like this. So if you want to keep another image also, that we can see later. Color blue, font size 20 pixels, close style, h1 color equals to red, style tag, close style tag, close head tag, open body, h1 recipe for pancake, close h1. Now open OL. OL means ordered list. Here starting with the li tag, these are the list of items. At last you have to close the OL, close body and close HTML. This is an ordered list example. So let's see this output here. So this is an H1. So we here did we mention it should come in a numbers or no, children? No. Why? Because we mentioned it is in a OL. OL stands for numbered list. Defaultly it will start with the number 1. That's why we thought if we are not giving a numbers also, it will come in the number wise. So there are 5 points. We gave 5 points in the program. That 5 points they are mentioned in the numbered format. This is about OL tag. Next, let's see the attributes of OL tag. How many attributes are there? Let's see here. Start attribute. I said now, if we did not say start also, it will start. Defaultly, it will start with the number 1. But if you want to start with the different numbers, for example, already you have done this program. Already you have created 5 points. Now in the next program you should start with the 6th point, means then what attribute you have to use? Start attribute. Start equals to 6, or example start equals to 101, like that. Next, reversed attribute. Reversed attribute in the sense descending order. Ascending, you all know ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. If you want to get in a descending order type your points and all, then we have to see reversed attribute. Let's see this program. Open HTML, open head, title. In the title, character. So any title we can give. Close title, style type equals to text or CSS, body, in the body background color, h1 color equals to red, li color equals to green, means these will come in a green color. Close head, close style, open body, h1 character is a combination of this is a heading, it will come like this. OL start equal to 3, means from 3 onwards it will start. Reversed means it will come in the descending order. These are the list of items, children. This is an output for this program. At last what will be the number list of items will be close OL, close body, close HTML. This is a program. Now let's see this output here. It is an H1 tag, and here these are the list of items. The number is started with 3, which means in the descending order it is showing. This is a list of items with the reversed attribute. Next, see the next attribute, type attribute. In the type attribute, so as I mentioned, start, it is used to start for the OL tag attribute, start reversed attributes. But some attributes also will be in the UL, no? UL means unordered list, no? What are those attributes, Amma? Type attribute. Type attribute means different types of bullets we will use in an unordered list. What are the different types of bullets we will cut? Disc means only circle, it is filled one. Circle, only circle, it is not filled inside. Square, so it is a filled square. These are the different types of bullet styles. It is used to specify the bullet type of numbering or bullets to mark the list of items. The type attribute, it is default 1 for type ordered list, and unordered list is disc, means filled circle, it will come for the unordered list. For unordered list, what is the syntax? UL type equals to value, where value can be disc or square or circle, these 3. Unordered list, OL type equals to value, where value can be 1 or capital A or small a or capital Roman numbers or small Roman numbers. These are the different types of ordered list and unordered list attributes. For ordered list, you will be having an attributes like start tag and reversed attribute. For unordered list, you will be having type attribute. This is an attribute for the unordered list. Now next is see list properties. What are the different types of list properties we are having? List style type. In the list type attribute, this property is used to specify the bullet style which will be used as the specified type its item marker. So what it is saying that it is used to specify the bulleted list, which list you want, which like you want. Let's see the syntax here. List style type equals to value. Instead of value we have to give here disk or circle or square, where values can be ordered list like none. None means no, nothing, no disk or no shape it will come. Only point by point it will come. Disk means filled circle. Circle means not filled in the center, it will give outline. Square means it is a fixed filled square. And values for the order list can be, I said before also, it can be a small ABC, capital ABC, small Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers, or we can also start with the numbers.